Hey beautiful people, it is Natural Virgo 1922, better known as Jolene Andre. If you like to subscribe to the channel, please hit the subscribe button right up here. If you like the content and would like to be notified of upcoming videos, please hit your notification bell. And also, if you like the content of this video, please give it a thumbs up. In this episode, we're going to talk about hotel accommodations. I'm just impressed with how I have my own pool. Like literally, you can get booty naked and nobody will see you. Like you can be in the nude and everything. I am so loving this room. Hey beautiful people, this is going to be part of a 3-part series. On today's episode, we're going to focus on hotel accommodations, excursions, and currency. Now let's jump right into this video. Just checked in on Travelogue. It's really cute. This is the bedroom. It's so cute. It's very chic. This is my view, which is really awesome. They even have graffiti on the and the way to say thank you is kapunka. So I'm gonna be saying a lot of that with the bowing my head down as a form of respect. But this is a nice view. There's a pool on top of the roof, so I plan on going there later on. The weather-wise, it's pretty. It's not too muggy-ish, but it looks like it's going to rain or drizzle. But let's see what happens. I'm about to walk these streets. When I arrived in Bangkok, and be mindful, when you are planning your trip, know what time of the year you're going on your trip. Know whether it's going to be high tourism season. I don't like going when there's a lot of tourists because the simple fact is you're not going to enjoy yourself and it's just overcrowded. I like to go where it's downtime, where there's not, like, I don't do spring break and I go to like Dubai or anything. I go off seasons. So when I went to Thailand, it was the month of August and I returned back in the beginning of September. Now August is considered the monsoon season or rainy season. So when you do go, there might be a possibility, bump that. It was a possibility. There was a lot of rain, but it didn't rain every day. It would be a little rain here and then the sun will come out and be beautiful as always. And you'll see certain footage of me on the rooftop of one of the places where it was just raining and how the mountain scenery was just gorgeous. Apparently the guys I met from Utah told me this little secret hidden gem up here. It just finished raining and it's still raining a little bit, so that is a mountain. So this is the view of Patong, am I saying it incorrectly or correctly? And that in front of me is the ocean. That is so breathtaking. So this is the hotel I'm at, and here's the pool. Look at the mountains. Far as check-in time at hotels are always going to be around 2 o'clock, and checkout time is always going to be noon, whatever date you choose to basically departure the hotel. Now, when you do book your flight accommodations and your hotel accommodations, be prepared for some delays. For example, if you leave on a Friday, flight going out to Thailand, be mindful, your unit, your hotel accommodations is not going to be ready till Sunday, because remember, you're doing 12 hours, you're doing 24 hours. There's a time difference. So don't think you leave on a Friday and you're going to check on a Saturday. You basically losing money that Saturday if you basically check in, and they won't refund you. So if you don't check in and you miss a time frame where you're supposed to check in and the whole day went by and it's checkout time, you're not getting that money. So you have to make sure you correlate your time when you're checking in and your flight. So whenever you're booking your flights and it says +1 or +2, what it's indicating to you is basically the days. It's a day in advance. Okay, so remember, we're in the United States. They're ahead of us. They're probably, right now it's probably noon here in the United States. It's probably midnight or 1 o'clock in the morning for them. They're just basically starting their day, where we're at midday kind of thing. This is just an example. When I did arrive in Bangkok, I did check in. They gave me my key. When you check in, they give you a key depending on how many people are with you. I only require 1 key. Not knowing, each unit is basically, the key is an energy saver. So when you go into the unit, you have to, on your left hand side, when you walk into the unit, you're going to put your key card into a slot. That slot actually turns the whole unit on. And what it is, it turns on not the refrigerator, but turns on the lights, the TV, AC, whatever you want to. Now, if you get like apartment homes, refrigerators are always going to be on in the stove because it's on a different type of circuit breaker kind of thing. But they are very energy savers, or cost efficient. So they like, when you leave, when you pull that key out, basically everything turns off. So I made it to Phuket. I am finally here, and trust me, I did learn this time to put the key in the card in the little key thing. So this is the room. Apparently I got upgraded because they didn't have any more standard rooms for check-in. So this is the bathroom. Oh, Jesus, I almost fell. So, oh my God, I'm like in between mountains and stuff. So that was really interesting. So here's the room. I'll be here for the next 3 days before I check into the Wyndham. I don't think I have a good view. Yeah, not really. I have my own patio though, which is somewhat cute. A little area. So I mean, it's to do the job. Can't say much. It's nice. It's cute and quaint. I'm about to turn on this AC for real, for real. I'm about to go eat something. I'm starving. Now, all the hotels I basically stay in are energy efficient. They're very different from the United States. The most, for example, Travelogue, which is a motel here in the United States, is literally a luxury hotel in Thailand. It's not what you think. Completely mind-blowing. I will show you footage of Travelogue. I checked in Sunday, August the 25th, and I checked out Monday, August the 26th. And the cost, the hotels in Thailand are very ridiculously cheap. For one night, I spent only $68. Now, Travelogue is like a 4 to 5 star hotel, and I will show you. It had a restaurant downstairs, and it was like a 2-parter. Like literally, it had building 1 and then building 2, and then these are sky rise. So and then I think one hotel, I think the side that had the restaurant had the pool top, and you will see footage of me showing you the pool top with the bar and the pool, and everybody just enjoying themselves. And of course I showed you the great panoramic views of being downtown Bangkok. Now, also, And I will show you a clip of the actual room footage of me actually going in and showing you the features and the accommodations of each parts of the room. So I was able to check in early at Travelogue, and this is my room. Pardon my purse, my little thing on the bed real quick. So this is the view. This is what I'm working with today, the cute outfit for today. And I'll walk to the window and show you. Mind you, there's no electricity, so the electricity should be on probably in the next couple of minutes. But this now, one thing I forgot the guys to tell you, I check into multiple hotels. I don't stay in one hotel the duration of my 9 or 10 days wherever I go. For me, I like to stay at different hotels so I can get a feel of the culture, the experience, and then of course the city wherever I'm staying in. I like to get a feel of everything. So I stayed in 2 hotels in Bangkok, and then I stayed in 2 hotels in Phuket. So this is the room. Apparently I got upgraded because they didn't have any more standard rooms for check-in. So this is the bathroom. Oh, Jesus, almost fell. So, oh my God, I'm like in between mountains and stuff. So that was really interesting. So here's the room. I'll be here for the next 3 days before I check into the Wyndham. The hotel was very clean, quaint. It also had a restaurant where I had, I'm constantly drinking coconut water, like fresh coconut, which was like 50 cents or 25 cents every time. So I was constantly being hydrated. It is warm there. I can actually say that it is warm, but having a nice cool coconut to soothe and it'd be refreshing is the bomb.com. Staying at Aspery Hotel, walking distance of everything. Like I said, literally I'm walking distance to the beach. Within a couple of minutes, I'm right there by the beach. If I go the opposite direction, I am near basically the strip where they have different markets. They have knockoffs. You can get a Louis Vuitton. You can get whatever your heart desires. They have a knockoff of everything. And then they had galleries. They had restaurants. And I will show you pictures and clips of me, footage, basically walking up and down the strip. I am in my room. This is breathtaking. My bed, my bathroom, my little kitchen, but this is a chicken dinner winner right here. Do you see what I'm looking at? My own pool, looking out. That is gorgeous. Despite the AC thing right there, but that is gorgeous. OMG, I have my own pool. Ew. Thank you for watching my video. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you like to be notified of upcoming videos, please hit the notification button. If you like the content of this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you again.